Here we go. Where's this at? Perfect. Oh. Sure. Perfect. Yeah. Sorted. Here we go. Hello, Chris. Hello. How's everyone doing? So just doing a quick live tonight, just going over what's happened today, and then as we move into next week, what we can sort of expect. Obviously, it's been an interesting week with Christmas and everything like that. You know, bank holidays today, yesterday, tomorrow. No, not tomorrow, but yesterday, today. So that's obviously been interesting for price action. So we'll see what we can sort of come up with, and yeah. Hope you're having a great Christmas. Definitely, Tony. Things are going well. Happy with how everything is. And so yeah. So over the course of what was it? Not yesterday, the day before, I gave this exact level here on gold, and gold absolutely through the roof. And then today we've formed another all-time high. So I think there's a few things to speak about. Just a quick live, go over a few things, and then later on tonight I'll be doing the bootcamp live as well. Hello, Light Always. Hello, Manjeet. Hello, Lady H Trading. But also let me know how your Christmas is going as well. Hello, Yusuf. Hello. So yeah, how is everyone doing? How is everyone feeling? Feeling festive? And then if you've traded today as well, let me know. Didn't do like normal trading live yesterday. Obviously Christmas Day, we did the Christmas quiz, which was really fun. So I just wanted to go over what sort of, you know, what's been going on at the charts the past few days. What's everyone thought? Obviously market opened crazy with a crazy push to the upside. I saw a lot of people entering a buy position at the end of Wednesday because of this bull flag here. And then it just opened ridiculously high. So it kind of broke out from the bull flag, which is interesting to see. So let me know if you've been in the charts these past few days. Let me know if you haven't. And yeah. I hope you've had a good one as well, DB. Hello, Dean. I didn't enter. Would have been a great break. Even and risky. Yeah, definitely a risky one, like Bella just said. Definitely risky to get in there. It's been risky. Look, it's been risky to trade the past few days. Over Christmas, there's limited liquidity in the market. There's limited just auction in the order book. Like, there's not much going on. And so taking trades during this period can be quite difficult. I mean, normally you get a few nice moves. For example, this move up here and this move down. These two, like, were solid moves. Like, these are nice moves. And if you caught them, well done. But overall, staying out over the Christmas period isn't a bad idea at all. It's just, you know, you get that FOMO of, I could be in this position, I could be in this position, I could be making this much money. And just getting out of that framework for that is important. And definitely over the next few days on all the lives, I'm going to be going over a few things, a few good habits to have as you move into 2026. And one of them is FOMO and being able to step away from the charts. So when people talk about risk management, it isn't necessarily, you know, per trade. It can be sort of overall in the week, taking step backs from the chart. So a lot of people think of risk management in terms of when they're entering a trade, but risk management also applies when you're like choosing not to enter because it doesn't follow your risk tolerance. And so FOMO, you know, as you go into 2026, that's one of the things. Try and leave that in 2025. Chris was great. Apologies, could not attend last 2 days. Was busy with family. All good, like always. All good. Ooh, to be fair, I've been very busy as well. I did say I was going to do a Christmas live though, and the Christmas live was really fun. We did a Christmas quiz, and then also we did like an Only Fools and Horses quiz as well, which was really good. But it's definitely a very busy period these last few days. And yeah, I hope everyone's enjoying seeing family. It's been nice for me. I don't get to come see family often, family, friends, a lot of people here in the UK. So making the most of that has been really, really, really nice. And yeah, still keeping on top of things, but you know, you've got to at least once a year you've got to put put that put work on the back foot at least a little bit. So yeah, that's been really, really good. Okay, nice, Jason. Left to buy Christmas Eve and it hit well today. Nice, DB. Really, really nice. It's the first interesting stream I found. Okay, nice BPK. This isn't really a normal stream, which we do. So normally I go live from Sunday to Thursday, marking up the charts. And that's actually marking up levels, which I'm looking to trade. And then we also do the bootcamp live as well. Tonight, I don't really go live on a Friday normally, but because I haven't gone live the past few days, because obviously markets closed and, you know, over Christmas, liquidity is very, very thin. I thought we'll go live today, go over what's going on, and yeah. So let me know if you've got any questions regarding anything trading related, anything at all in the trading space. If you've got any questions, regarding the private group as well, just let me know. And again, hope you're having a great Christmas. Life, I don't know what that language is, mate. Need a weekly Only Fools and Horses quiz. I remember who said it in the group. Was it Katie? I think Katie said it in the group as well. So yeah. I'm going on year 7 of trade. Okay, nice, BPK. How have you found it? Is this properly live? I am live. Thomas Chadwick, I am live. Can I set the Only Fools and Horses quiz next time? There was a few suspect answers. Lady H, you can definitely do that. I saw you actually write in the Discord after. We might make it a continued thing. Let me know if you like something which we do once. Let me know and we'll continue to do it. I'm happy to. We've got a few cool things like event style things happening in 2026, like trading competitions and things like this. So the lives are going to be really, really, really really fun, and you're going to want to be there. So I'm looking forward to it. I trade for like 5 to 10 hours a week. That's good, BPK. I have no idea on that, DB. This time next year. Yeah, this time next year, that Only Fools and Horses quiz was fun. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Yeah, weekly's a lot. Nice, BPK. Floodlight. Oh, wait there. I need... Is that... Why does the light look purple? Yusuf, you just... Is that just me? That isn't me and Yusuf, is it? The light actually looks purple. Oh, that's awful. Oh, okay. Anyway. Anyway, moving on. How much one should expect on a monthly basis from trading? Just average. There isn't an average, really. And you shouldn't expect anything from trading. When getting into trading, you shouldn't expect anything. Majority of people lose money in trading. Vast majority of people lose money in trading. So you shouldn't expect anything, you know, in your first sort of initial period with trading. But, you know, you can definitely scale it up. We've got members in the community making... I mean, Jay nearly made 6 figures last month. We've got multiple members making tens of thousands of pounds a month. We've got multiple members making, you know, a few £1,000s a month. So, yeah. Can I ask, I'm with a prop firm that starts with the letter A. I assume Aqua funded. Do you have any opinions on it? I'm seeing people not getting paid out. Thomas Chadwick. So vast majority of prop firms are completely and utterly terrible. Completely crap. 1 second, sorry. Completely terrible. And why is this? They're terrible for a few different reasons, but one of them, let me just take off this jumper because I'm getting really hot. But the main reason they're very terrible is because when you trade on their prop firm, they make their money via you paying for a challenge, and so the less people they pay out, the more profit they make. And that particular firm that you've mentioned there, they do a lot of various discounts and stuff like this, which aren't good. You don't want a prop firm to do discounts. Why do you not want prop firms to do discounts? Well, prop firms do discounts incentivizes like more gambling, high risk traders. High risk traders go onto the prop firm and they ruin it for everyone else because high risk means the cash flow isn't predictable. Predictable cash flow is what a prop firm needs to survive. And so majority, that's the first sign of a prop firm going under, is loads of discounts and everything like that. But the prop firm business model, most of them go bust. And it's not a very good place to trade on if you actually want to make money long term. The blueprint is there from beginning to getting funded. It's a great group if you put the effort in. Appreciate that, Chris. But today wasn't too bad. Could see today's market being... conditions not looking appealing to some traders. Called out 2 of the trades. Okay, nice. Sam, you definitely don't. I'll give you it back, Sam. I'll give you it back. What's that? Can you give us some further explanation on buyers and volume that have been pumping into XRP? World free speech. I don't like XRP, world free speech, and plus I don't want to talk about on lives. I don't want to talk about any altcoins. I think if you want to be shilled altcoins, go into any X community or Twitter community out there. A lot of people don't fully understand the risks of altcoins and the risks of crypto. And so if I talk about it, then chances are someone will go and look into it, and they'll probably end up losing all their money because they don't actually understand the full-on risks of crypto. So I don't really talk about it. If you want to get involved in crypto, then just do a ton of research. I'll give you my opinion, but do a ton of research. And as far as XPR, world free speech, we had that conversation before. Okay, appreciate it, Sam. And shout out to Poppy. Hello, Nisi. Hello, Beans as well. Hope you've had a great Christmas. Into all chocolate coins. How was your Christmas, Nisi? And how's your Christmas, Alan? How's it been? Hope you've had a great Christmas, guys, everyone. And Nisi, that video of Beans, I forwarded it to the public group on Telegram, and I forwarded it to the private group. What a video! Amazing. Danny, on the Telegram, linked on the YouTube description. So if you click onto my YouTube channel, you click onto the description, and then they're in there. It was great. It really was. It really was. So, past few days, so we've recently literally had another gold all-time high, which has just been, insane. There's huge pumps. We've just been entering buys. I've been just adding to buy positions. I haven't really been doing much else other than that. And so I'll continue to look to do that. To those who said 4,500 by New Year, nail on the head. I know quite a few people said that. Quite a few people were against it. It was very 50-50. But turns out we did hit 4,500 by New Year's. Definitely, as we enter these New Year and prices, all-time highs, definitely be careful. Just because price is high doesn't mean price will not be high. And important from Thomas Chadwick then, when do you expect markets to normalize again after Christmas period? What's normal? Price is continuing to go up. That's normal now. This is normal. So when you mean reverting to normal, this is normal price now. Price is going up. This is always normal. And so yeah, don't try and get price to normalize or go back to ranging or anything like that. The best thing to do is if price is going up, chances are it continues to go up, so you hop on that train. If price is going down, chances are price will continue to go down. So not trying to catch the top is a very bad idea. Just hopping on the trend is the best idea. If you try and sell in this market, the best thing I'd rather buy at the exact all-time high than sell literally anywhere. So just keep that in mind. The trend is your friend. Been great, Max, for myself and Lady H Trading. Done many miles, but it's been good. Hope you had a good one, Max, with family. Definitely did, Alan. And that sounds amazing. Shout out to Alan and Lady H there. Sounds like you've had a great Christmas there, mate. Yeah, it's been good. I've enjoyed it. Just wondering what the average age is in the group. I'm 55, 25 in my head. Wish there was a group like years ago. Worked all my life little. Here I feel I might be able to treat my family. Amazing to hear that. Amazing to hear that, Dean. And then the average age. We did this before. I think it's around 40 to 45 is actually the average age. I think it's closer to 45. So yeah, I have sort of with sort of building the group, definitely focused on that sort of more mature age demographic, just because a majority of people aged 18 to 25, they're trying to, they don't have any patience. They're trying to make money like yesterday, and they don't really listen. And it's very, very, like, they're just super, super, super difficult to work with. Super, super, super difficult. So I found out pretty early that older demographic, more mature demographic, apologies, is a lot nicer to work with, a lot more willing to learn. And at the end of the day, you ask an 18, 19-year-old what they want, and they say, I want a Lamborghini, I want this, I want that. Whereas you ask a 40, 45-year-old what they want, and most of the time they say, I want more time with family. I think that difference, I'd rather work with someone who just wants more time with their family than someone who wants to go and do this and this and this, and they think that's the way forward. So yeah. Definitely not. I'm 50 and 10 in my head. I mean, Ben's 42. If you're on that live the other day, it's hilarious. Close to my 50s than my 40s, Dean, and younger than Max in my head. I'm 45 and act it. Only for me, 47. Yeah. See, vast majority of people in the group are around that mid 40s, and look, we have, for example, John in the group who's about 70, and then we got a few very young. We got, Sam, I think, is the youngest. Sam is 18. So, yeah, there's a few which are 18, 19. So, yeah. I'm 33, but my back tells me about 80. Yeah, I think, Thomas, definitely agree with that. You should see me. One thing which I hope you guys never see is after I finish the live, I get up out of this chair, and I swear, it takes me about 45 seconds to get up, and I'm like, oh. And I kind of like stand up very, very slowly. One day I'm going to accidentally leave the live on, and you're going to think, what the hell? This guy is not how old he is. He is about 35 at least. Actually, yeah, Beans is the youngest. Beans definitely. Anyway, no. Not all. I'm 23 to stop working when I was 21 traders being my life. Okay, nice BPK. Nice. Krishina. Hello, Reels community. But yeah, how's everyone's Christmas going forward? I think let's take this time. I'll be, by the way, I'll do my bootcamp live after this. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel when I do my bootcamp. I think I'm going to do the bootcamp live about 9 o'clock. So make sure you're around for that if you want to go into detail on that. But let me know what you think of price, as specifically gold, as we head to the end of 2025. What's your thoughts on gold this year? What's your thoughts on gold going into 2026? And yeah, what's your feelings on the current market? Just like taking a step back, how has the year been for you in trading? What's some things you've learned? What's your things? Just what's your overall thoughts as we exit 2025? Chris, I had a tin of WD-40 for my joints this Christmas. Yeah, honestly, Chris, I wish I got some of that. Would have been a lot better. DB, I had a pipe, slippers, and a rocking chair. Waiting 4,700 on New Year's Eve. Honestly, the amount of times people have said to me this year, we're going to hit 4,000, we're going to hit 4,200, we're going to hit 4,500. And I've said, like, yeah, it's possible, but I'm looking back and I'm like, wow, that's far. Now, when someone could say we're going to hit like 8,000 by New Year's Eve, and I'd be like, yeah, gold's, it's on one, to be honest. So anything can happen with gold lately, anything. I've only discovered yourself and trading about mid-October, and I overrisked and blew my live account twice and blew 3 props, and now I'm in another prop, but I've set out rules for myself and downloaded an app. Nice, Thomas. I mean, look, when you first get into trading, it's going to be a pain in the ass, and we've all been there. And the amazing thing about trading is we've all made the same mistakes. There's no golden ticket in trading. There's no magical thing you can do, which is just going to make you loads of money. There's no automated system, which is just going to print you money. Nothing like that at all. Trading is difficult. It does require time, but if you're willing to put in that time, especially in a community like ours, like, you're going to do amazing things. So now that you've got those rules set out for yourself, Thomas, you're definitely well on your way, mate. Definitely. Now, that sounds good, Thomas. That's really, really amazing to track my mood and how it relates to my trading habits. That is amazing. Thomas, that will genuinely improve your trading so much. You'll be able to spot patterns and correlate it so well. That's amazing to see, Thomas. Really, really amazing. Anyone struggling with loneliness, please reach out. This can be a difficult time and you are welcome to have a conversation. Is it